Hi there, Christina Sieberts, truthandit.com. We are here once again at VMware Explore 2022. I'm standing with Adrian from Quest. Adrian, how are you this morning?
Very good, thank you. Great to be here.
Yeah, it's really nice to finally be back in person. What do you think about having been remote for 2 years and now we're actually on the floor face-to-face again?
I think it's a lot better being able to have conversations to people and understand their needs and try and find solutions for them. It seems a lot more engaging this year.
Yeah, it's really nice to be back. So Adrian, if you could just give our audience a brief overview of what your title, what your role is at Quest, and what are the core solutions that Quest offers? What do you guys do?
So I'm a Senior Product Manager and Technology Evangelist for Quest, and we have a whole range of products at Quest. This is kind of just a subset that we have here. So what we're doing here at the booth today, we're actually looking at our data protection, backup and recovery, storage reduction, cost reduction technologies, endpoint management, a whole suite of solutions that help you manage environments as well as manage your costs and manage your data.
So Adrian, if you could just tell us a little bit more about maybe a particular solution or initiative that you want to really highlight at the show today. Tell us a little bit more about that.
Sure, we're actually showcasing a new release of NetVault Plus, which is our kind of premium backup solution. And we've added some extra technology in here that solved a problem around backup and recovery that has been impossible for many, many years. Now what we try and do is to ensure that everybody's data is compressed and made it immutable and deduplicated for cost optimization. But the problem with that was that you actually couldn't restore things very, very quickly. So we've actually managed to solve that problem now, so we can actually restore virtual machines maybe 200-300 gigabytes in around about 3 or 4 seconds directly from deduplicated storage without any other staging, without any landing spaces. And it just gives you an instant recovery capability with all of your data being optimized, made immutable, compressed, encrypted. You can have everything. So there's no compromises anymore with your data backup.
Wow, that sounds really interesting and like a great solution. So does your company have really like an ideal target customer or like a profile of an ideal customer? Do you sell typically into certain verticals, industries, certain company sizes that would particularly benefit from your solution?
Well, we're kind of broad across many verticals because for us, data is data. It's important for everybody to protect that. Our solutions are kind of like mid-market up to enterprise. So the idea is you can actually enter into it fairly small, and then the solution can grow with you as your business grows as well. So we have that capability to expand and actually add elements of the solution as you add different data types.
Wow, that's great. So are there any final thoughts that you would leave our audience with in terms of, where can they go to learn more about Quest and these great solutions and obviously a very broad portfolio that you have? Do you have any events coming up or anything special you want to call out to our audience so they can learn more about you?
Well, we have obviously VM Explore. We're going to be in Barcelona in Europe as well, so we will be there too. We also have a healthcare event happening in the UK as well, which I'll be at there as well. So people are welcome to come and find us. If they want to learn more about our solution sets, they can hop onto quest.com, go and look at the data protection solution sets. We've got a range of products there, from the new NetVault Plus solution set down to something else we call Core Store, which is our secondary storage solution, which you can install on absolutely anything you like. It's pure software and provides you all the deduplication technology you could think of.
Wow, that sounds great. Well, thank you, Adrian, so much for taking the time to speak with us today.
Thank you very much for your time.
I hope you have a great rest of the show. We'll be back with more.